show me the supplies you need.
All right, so we have 3 cups of water,
Mhm.
right? Then we have 2 2-liter bottles, and we have this to connect them together. Show them how you put it on.
It's a special connector.
It's
It twists on.
that,
You can buy it on Amazon.
yeah, you can buy it on
Or
Amazon.
if you don't have one of those, do you remember what it said you could use? Just duct tape? You
Yeah,
could just
yeah,
try
you
and
could
duct
just
tape it
duct tape.
together.
Yeah, just. And then we have the blue colored food dye that we're gonna put in it.
So let's pour the water in the bottle first.
All right, and we're doing 10 drops.
Okay,
About.
I'll do the 10 drops. You do the water.
in this one.
Yeah, because this one. I'm sure we should not do it
Maybe
this
you
way.
could just take the connector off.
Yeah. Okay. Right on.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh,
let's take it
okay,
off.
Okay, let's take it off.
Okay, so a little less than 3 cups of water.
Okay.
Okay, pour it in. So now you have to put food coloring in.
What's the bottle?
Right there. Right behind it. Wait.
Put like 10 drops in or so.
I'll do 5. I'll do 5.
Okay, 5 and 5. Just squeeze it gently.
Okay, ready?
Like this.
All right, you got it?
1, 2,
We
3, 5.
Okay, Brianna, maybe just put like 3 in. That's good. Okay, that looks really blue. Okay, now connect them. Is it tight?
See?
Okay, can you swirl the water around?
Okay. So ready?
Okay, now let's do one person at a time. David will start and then Brianna will have a turn. So you're gonna wanna quickly turn it over and spin it. Spin it.
Spin it.
Go in a circle. All right, now set it down and watch it go down the funnel. See if it funnels.
Does
You're
it?
gonna have to circle it again. There it goes. Got a
There's
tornado in a bottle.
It actually works. I thought it wouldn't.
Okay, Brianna's turn. Mhm.
I'm gonna do a 360.
It's working. No, look at
There it
from up
goes.
here. Look up here. It's
Oh my gosh, it actually works. And
kind of
it's
like a
going-
whirlpool almost, actually.
I don't know if I can get a good view up there. Pretty
We should put some